There's a lot of variety of fin tubes based on the needs in the market to be able to fine tune to every single customer. All customers can sometimes, we feel, fall under the same umbrella, but they really don't. All customers have a specific need and we have to find ways to give them solutions. So we offer more variety than we can find in the entire world to our customers because there's a need for it. There's a need to be able to offer the appropriate solution, not just an out-of-the-box A, B, or C product. So when a customer calls, they sometimes know what they need and sometimes they have no ideas what they need. We come alongside with them, with our engineering team, with our sales staff, even through our quality control, and we build the product with OEM customers that we build their products for now, that when they come to us, they have a concept and something they've never seen before. And that's when we like to get involved, because that best lets us suit finding a product that from the manufacturing side, which we probably know better than anyone in our industry, we can take our manufacturing history and experience and apply it to their heat exchanger need. And we develop products that no one's ever seen before, products out there that we've developed part of it in the past, and we finish the process with a customer so that they can be the optimal in their industry, and we want to make a difference for their industry for them so that they can sell the most amount of products, so that they can turn around and differentiate themselves in their market and their worlds. The form and function is so important to our customers because we have to be able to fit in so many different environments of product lines. So we have customers that from mining and going underground to going up into space, we have heat exchanger tubes, coils, from formed tubes. You can see so much of those products in the industry, and we have to be able to handle all those different markets. And that's what we want to suit our company to be able to do. That's why there's so many varieties of the products that we offer that is in the industry now. It's so important to us to offer a wide variety so that way we can cover those customers' needs. So one of our keys to success is being able to have a machine shop that can service any of our products. We build a lot of specialty tooling and equipment and processes for customers, so that way we control it all in-house and we can offer that product line to them and to exclusively to them if needed, so that way they can have control of their market also. So we control it in-house so they can control their environment also.